Okay, friends, we're almost done with our decoding. We're going to work on lines 3 and 4. So these are a little bit different than the first two lines because the first two lines had word pairs. Lines 3 and 4 have each all talk about one general idea, and then the words have different shades of meaning. So we're going to use our syllable practice to sound out the words, and then we'll talk about the meaning of the words and the shades of meaning. So starting on line 3, the first word is damp. That's one syllable. Second word is soggy. Soggy. The third word is soaked. Soaked. And the fourth word is flooded. 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 Okay, so line 3 is talking about, in general, different states of being wet, right? And they are in order of intensity. So damp means slightly wet. Soggy is something that's pretty wet. And normally, when something's soggy, it's also kind of floppy because it's filled with water. Then soaked is really covered in water, so much water that it's kind of spilling out. And then, of course, flooded would be the most intense, and that's just a deluge of water that goes everywhere. All right, so these are all different states of wetness. Line 4, the first word is said. That's one syllable. Second word is told, also one syllable. Third word is described. And the fourth word is notified. Notified. Okay, line 4 is talking about ways of talking. So the first word is said. That's pretty straightforward. Somebody said something. Told is what somebody else does. So somebody else told. Somebody told me. I told somebody else. Described is giving more detail about something when you're talking. And then, of course, notified is kind of more of an official way of being given notice of something, right? If you're notified, that's more official. If we were in the classroom, I wouldn't say, I notified you to get your notebooks out. No, I would say, I told you to get your notebooks out. I said, get your notebooks out, right? I wouldn't notify you because it's not very official.